Hope you're keeping well. Today I'd like to share with you my recipe for KFC, how to make your KFC chicken at home. They are yummy and I can actually tell you they're much tastier than KFC. I know we've been on lockdown. Is this the weekend? So again, why not? I won't do this too often as well. It's greasy, it's fried and all, but I think we deserve a treat. So I'm going to just talk you through how to make your own KFC chicken at home. To make your KFC chicken, you need chicken. What I have here is 2 kilos of washed chicken. I've got 3 cups of flour in this bowl. I've got 3 eggs there and some spice. I've got garlic, ginger, ground paprika, mustard seed, oregano, black peppers. But you could use whatever spice you prefer. If you prefer any other one that is missing here, you could by all means add your spice to your taste. I've also got a bit of thyme. I've got seasoning and I've got salt. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using for preparing our chicken. So to start with, I'll wash my hands. Washed my hands, and I'm just going to marinate the chicken first before I do the flour. So to do that, I would use a tablespoon of salt. I've already put a tablespoon of salt in this mortar. Then some garlic to your taste. I love garlic a lot. Ginger, just about a tablespoon maybe of ginger. Black peppers. Again, half a tablespoon maybe of black pepper. A bit of thyme. And 2 cubes of my Knorr seasoning. So I'll just grind that in my mortar. So I've got a mix of my favorite spices. So like I said, you can use whatever you fancy. I'm just going to pour that in the chicken, just so the chicken itself gets some good taste. So I'm going to rub that in. So I've mixed my spices into the chicken and kind of massaged it into the chicken. So I'm just going to let that sit. I'm going to let that sit for a little while. While the chicken is waiting, I'd like to start preparing my flour. And to prepare the flour, I'll take half a tablespoon of black pepper, or to your taste as well. If you like it very hot, you can add more than that. I will again add some garlic, spoon of ginger, some mustard, spoon of paprika, a bit of thyme, and a bit of oregano. So I'd also add another Knorr cube into that and just blend it together. I have the ingredients all blended together. So I'm going to pour that in my flour and also add a tablespoon of salt again. And I'll mix that together. So it's simply adding your favorite spice and seasoning and salt in the flour, but be careful not to add too much because it would make the batter bitter when it's cooked. So Now I've got my chicken. I have the egg and then the flour mix with my spices. So what I need to do now is dip the chicken in the egg and then in the flour and then put it on the tray. So do that. You make sure we dip in the egg just so the flour, to allow the flour to stick to so I'll use my 2 hands. Use one hand for the egg beat and the other hand for, just so I don't get both hands wet. So kind of just cover the chicken in flour and then you put it aside. So you repeat the process until you cover all the chicken in flour. So it's ready for frying now, so let's go. To fry your chicken, I've got some oil in my wok, and I always like to drop some onion slices. That just gives it a good flavor as well and a good smell. So I'll start putting the chicken in the wok. You need to make sure your oil is very hot as well when you start. This will just minimize how much oil the chicken soaks up. So what we want again is for the chicken to go golden brown a bit, not too dark, because I'm also going to cook this in the oven just to ensure it cooks way into the chicken, because I've got some big pieces here and I need to avoid having ending up with pink chicken. So once that's slightly brown, I'll cook it and put it in the tray just to cook it further in the oven. Cooking this for about 7-8 minutes. I'm going to cook it out. I can assure you the bigger chicken are not cooked yet, even they look cooked. So how I go about that, instead of frying for a long time, is to now put this in the oven so it can get cooked properly in the oven. And another good thing about that is when it gets cooked in the oven, it drains out more of the oil that the chicken has absorbed. So I'm going to put that in the oven. The chicken is all fried. I'm going to, if you can see, it's still pinky. I could have let it fry some more, but I prefer to just put it in the oven so the oil would get rid of the oil and cook it in the oven rather than fry longer. That's just my little way of going healthy about it, but there's nothing healthy about fried chicken anyway. So I'm using a mesh just so the oil from the chicken can drain into the baking tray. The chicken is going to go into the oven for about half an hour, but it depends on chicken size. In the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. So I just want to check that if it's cooked. I can still see pink marks, so that will tell me it's not cooked yet. So I'm going to put it back. Been half an hour since we had the chicken in the oven. It looks well cooked and succulent, so that's what we want. Chicken is now ready, our KFC chicken, and I can assure you this is way tastier than KFC. I'm going to indulge today. I'm going to indulge myself today And you know, one of those times you just say to yourself, life is for living. So please do enjoy. Have a go. Let's know how you get on. And I wish you a very happy Easter. Stay safe. God bless.